Hi guys, I made this gohan recipe, this rice recipe with my rice cooker. It's really fast, it's really easy, it's healthy, it's delicious, it has salmon and onions in it, and you don't really need many ingredients to make this. All you really need is the salmon. So if you want to know how I did it, then please keep watching. A Japanese rice dish with salmon, and you can add whatever else you want. Generally what we do is that we use leftover salmon, so the salmon that we didn't finish from the night before, usually it was oven made, like salmon from the oven, and we had that for dinner and we couldn't finish it all, so we use that instead. Pan seared or fried salmon is okay as well. And the other ingredients that I add to it is all optional. All you need is rice and salmon. That's it. Let me show you how I do it. So, what you need for this recipe is rice, a rice cooker, salmon that I chopped up. You can easily use leftover salmon from the night before that's already cooked. This is what I had. I have raw salmon. Some herba cipollina. This is green onions that's been dried. That's basically all it is. And some chopped up onions. Okay, the onions are optional. All you need is the salmon and the rice, and then you can add any vegetable you want to it. Like you can add some chopped up carrots, chopped up onions, whatever you want. This is all the rice I have left. I'm going to use all of it. This is the cup that came with the rice cooker. Okay, I washed the rice and it says number 2 right there. I'm not sure if you can see. So the water level now is a little bit above 1, because I think it was just a little more than a cup, maybe a cup and a half. So now I'm going to put in the salmon. I just put it in like that. I'm going to put in some of the onions. And it's all just going to cook together, and then you can mix it up later. So it doesn't actually matter how you cut the salmon. And I'm going to add some of the dried up dehydrated green onions. So it doesn't really matter. Like, you can kind of stir it if you want, but don't stir with a knife though. And be careful not to scratch the surface of the thing though. I was just doing that because the knife was right here and I'm lazy. Just put it in the rice cooker. Okay, and this is the start button right here, so just click start, and then it starts going like that, and you just gotta wait until it's ready, and it'll signal by going beep beep, and that means it's ready. Okay, this is what it looks like right out of the rice cooker, and I need to basically mix it up and just keep mixing. So I'm going to add salt. This is the salt that I usually use. It has herbs in it, but it doesn't matter if you have this or something else. So just add salt and keep mixing. And that's what it looks like. And I put it onto a plate. When I eat it, I use this karashi Japanese spice blend seasoning. So I'm just doing everything with one hand today, but I put some of that over and eat it. My husband actually likes to eat it with mayonnaise, so he mixes some mayonnaise in there. You can also just put some sesame oil or olive oil over it. Do whatever you want. Enrico's gonna eat it.
Bueno, ma we need some oil.
Do you want olive oil?
Yeah.
I actually don't like it with olive oil on top, but Enrico does. It's an Italian thing. So is it good?
Bueno. Very good.
Okay, good. I'm relieved. Oh, Freyja is eating the raw salmon that I had prepared. There was some that I left for her. Freyja, is it good? Do you like it? Yummy. Okay. Good enough. I know that she's headed right for bed right now.